Hello students. Yes, now we are discuss the next question for the NCERT and topic is acid, bases and salts. Now the next question number 8. Why do acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Why do acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Yes, we are taking a simple example like concentrated HCl or concentrated H2SO4 or any other concentrated acid. Concentrated acid means it's having a approximately 99% amount of the acids. Now, what is the requirement for the acidic behavior? As we know that for the acids are those compounds which gives H plus. It means any substance which is capable for giving H plus, acting as an acid. Now, if we are having concentrated HCl, so no doubt in this formula we are having H. Similarly, if we are taking concentrated H2SO4, then no doubt also we are having 2 times of H, that would be 2H. Now the problem is that how or how these two compounds gives H plus. If we are taking the concentrated solution of these two acids or any other acids, if these compounds or these acids give H plus, then no doubt these are having acidic properties. But actually what happens when we are taking concentrated HCl or concentrated H2SO4, then both are not capable giving H plus. Why? Since in HCl or H2SO4, HCl, the bond between H and Cl, it is formed by the sharing of electron. It means in the formation of this bond, one electron comes from the H side and other electron comes from the Cl side. So both electrons forming this bond pair. Now the interaction between H and Cl is covalent type. Covalent type means it's formed by the sharing of electrons. Now if we are taking a concentrated HCl, then this covalent bond is not break down. And if this covalent bond is not break down, then this compound not gives H plus. Now the second question arises is, however, the En of the Cl is more than H. So we can say that in the HCl, this bond pair more shifted towards Cl atom H compared to hydrogen. So now no doubt in this case, the Cl having delta negative charge, there is H having delta plus charge. So if we are taking concentrated HCl, no doubt this molecule is a polar molecule. Means although it's having delta H plus, but it's not having completely H plus. So that's why concentrated HCl or concentrated H2SO4 is not acting as acid. But what happens when we are added H2O in the HCl or H2SO4? If we are taking HCl adding some amount of water like H2O of this type, H2O. In the HCl, due to more electronegative character, Cl having partially negative charge and this H having partially positive charge. And the water, due to high electronegativity, oxygen having negative charge and this hydrogen having delta plus. Now what happens when we are adding the H2O in the HCl? Then there is a interaction start between opposite charges. So the overall picture of this type, the delta negative charge attracted towards H plus charge of water molecule. It means water molecule H plus side forms the envelope towards Cl negative side. Similarly, hydrogen having delta plus, so negative side of water again form an envelope with HCl this type. Now due to the interaction between delta minus of HCl and delta plus of H plus and interaction between delta plus of HCl and delta minus of H2O. The bond between HCl or attraction force between HCl is weakened, means this force is weak due to the attraction force of water. So finally the water overcome the force which acts between H and Cl or water break down the pores which is exist between H and Cl. And finally, in presence of water, the reaction which will happen, the this type, this H plus and this Cl9 minus both are separated, although this H plus and Cl minus both are surrounded by the water molecule. So we can simply write this type H plus aqueous or Cl minus aqueous. So I think it is clear that how in the presence of water any acids acting like acid, but when we are not taken in the water, then acids is not act as acid, although it is hydrogen atoms or more than one hydrogen atoms. Now the next question is that question number 9. There are 5 solutions A, B, C, D and E. When tested with universal indicator having pH 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9. Now which solution is neutral? As we know that neutral solution having pH 7. So the answer becomes is D, that having pH equals to 7. Now the next question is that which solution is strongly alkaline? Strongly alkaline means solution having pH greater than 7. Now here is the highest pH becomes C, that having pH 11. So the solution C is strongly alkaline. Now the next is which solution is weakly acidic? Yes, weakly acidic means having pH less than 7 or pH between 4 to 7. So here is the answer is that according to the question, answer is the A, which having pH equals to 4. Now the next D option is E option is, so this one is D. Now we are discussing about E. Which solution is weakly alkaline? Means solution having pH between 8 to 11. So 11 is that C. Answer becomes C, that having pH equals to 11, and the pH become 11 means C, and the option D weakly acidic, the answer becomes A. Here is the answer becomes A, that having pH